We're going to go ahead and show you how to switch the channels on the receiver. You might want to do this if you're noticing any connection loss, connection instability, or artifacts on your video signal. Usually, it is just because your channel's frequency band is being interfered with by other wireless devices. All you have to do is hold down on the channel button for 1 second and it will cycle over. Once you switch the receiver over, the transmitter should do the same automatically. To do a channel reset, simply hold down on the receiver's reset button until the numbered list starts flashing, and then cycle through the channels with the reset button until you reach your desired channel, then hold reset for 3 seconds and both the receiver and transmitter will perform a channel reset. During the reset, your display will cut out and you should see a reset message on both devices. The transmitter's LED will turn red and then start flashing green, and then eventually will go solid once everything is reset. The channel reset function is useful when there's a problem with only one of your transmitters, so instead of shutting down the whole system, you can reset a single device. Low gain mode is the standard mode and can be used in most situations within 150 meters, while high gain mode is better suited for large environments where your signal may need to travel through walls or objects. To cycle through low and high gain transmission modes, all you have to do is hold down on the left button for 3 seconds, and you should see your display change. The L indicates low gain mode. High gain is indicated by a blank space next to your signal. Another feature of the left button is to rotate the screen so you can view everything easier in a sideways configuration. To relink the devices, simply hold down on the middle button labeled WPS on both the receiver and transmitter for 3 seconds, and a code matching process will begin. The LED will flash green for about a minute and then turn solid once they reconnect. If you want to use the streaming function on the transmitter, all you have to do is hold down on the middle button labeled WPS for about 6 seconds until RTSP appears on the screen, and then your LED will turn red and then turn solid green when it's ready. While in streaming mode, you will get no SDI or HDMI out from your receiver, and all of your videos will be encoded and exported through the Ethernet port. If you need information for any of our other products, please feel free to visit CINEGEARS.com.